Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll discuss about the different ways to reverse a string, because this is the very important questions, and a interviewer will ask you to print to do the reverse of a string. Okay, so first two methods I mentioned, the by slicing and by reverse function. So these methods means you can able to do. But so if you are a experienced candidate, so interview will not accept by using slicing and reverse method. If you will do the for loop while loop, so they will accept it. Okay, for the freshers might be they will accept by using the slicing and reverse function. Okay, so why I'm telling these things, because I have taken the many interviews. I also given the many interviews, but interviewers thoughts will be how much concept you are clear in the Python. Okay, so slicing and reverse function anyone can do. Okay, so just one code. So we'll discuss one by one. So before going for the discussion, if you guys are till now not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it. Okay, so let's go for this first one by using the slicing method. Okay, so what I will do, so I will enter a string variable, yes, and I will enter a string. Okay, so after entering a string, so I will declare another variable like new string. Okay, so new string I will mention like, so s of so -1. so it means yes, I explained here so you guys can understand very clearly. Okay, suppose so nothing is mentioned means it will start from the 0. Nothing is mentioned will start from the 0, and end point it will length of x, length of our string, and it will be the 1 means, so suppose this one is a step, so positive means, so this negative means, sorry, positive means it will left to right direction. Okay, so negative means it will be the right to left direction. Right to, you can see my arrow, so this one is right. So suppose I will take the YouTube as a string, so it will start from the 0 index to so x, so it means, so it will 0 to the length of s. So similar way, if I mention here -1, so whatever our string, it will be reverse automatically, so by using the slicing and indexing method. So length function here I mentioned, so length it will always start with the 1. Okay, so if I will print new string string, so if I will print new string, so you guys can see, so our output it will print, so u2. Okay, so our output is successfully came. Okay, so then I will use by the reverse function. So reverse function means, suppose I use one reverse function. Okay, so like one reverse inbuilt function I can use. Okay, so how will I do? So I will just take an empty write one empty string. So I mention the join keyword, and I will use the keyword like reverse, so reverse of x. Yes. Okay, so if I will print this one, if I will print new string, okay, so our answer it will come directly. Okay, so here u2. Okay, so it reverse successfully. Okay, so another method I will using by the for loop. I will do, so I will also use the same thing again. Okay, so I will enter, I taken the here empty string. Okay, I will mention for character in s. Okay, and I will mention new string equals to character plus new string string. Okay, so sorry, here character new string. If I will print new string string, so our output will be come. So what character plus new string, this one is the very most important. You just remember it. Suppose I will mention the string as u2. So first what you will do, so first it is empty string. Okay, so empty string it will, what we will do, so character, the first character it will come, so first character it will come as u, then plus empty string, plus empty string means nothing, so our output it will be new string. First it will be y, then it will print yo. So yo, then it will come the word. So word it will print here, not right side, it will print left side. So like that, our word sequence it will be come. Okay, so if t, then it will come u, then it will come b, then it will come e. Okay, so if I will run it, so our answer it will become successfully. Okay, so u 2. Okay, sorry, new string is not defined. Okay, so where a new string is not defined, so new string is empty string, new string st. Okay, here it is a capital S, it I mentioned the small s. If I will run it again, so our answer it will come. Okay, so I will mention here u2. Okay, so it's successful answer came. So by using while loop I will do. So while loop follows same thing. So while loop means we will apply one condition, I equals to length of s minus 1, because I will explain again. While I greater than equals to 0, then new string string equals to new string string plus s of I. Okay, then I equals to I minus 1, then print of new string. Okay, so in this what I do, so I taken one empty string, because suppose u2, why I mentioned the length of s, I explain in this here. So length of x means, so it will be come as suppose 6 or 5. So it will suppose in this video, so u2. Okay, so u2 indexing is coming 0 to 6, but length is coming 1 to 7. So I want this one to be assessed, because we will reverse one string. Okay, so for assessing this e, so I mention what length of s minus 1. So when the length of minus 1, why I mentioned the greater than equals to 0, because so it will be ui value, the first value it will be indexing always starting to 0. Okay, so y I equals y minus 1, what it will do, so every time it will reduce the one time, it will be reduced one time. Okay, so if I mention u2, okay, so answer is successful come. Yeah, thank you everyone. So if you guys are happy with my explanation, and for more interesting videos and upcoming days I will upload, so I will request all of you, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.